A very good morning once again. Let's get into our news headline bulletin now. The composition of the executive of South Africa's 7th Democratic Administration remains unknown as the president is yet to announce his cabinet. Talks on the expected government of national unity are taking much longer than anticipated. President Cyril Ramaphosa is involved with his executive and, of course, in intense consultations between the 10 parties who have agreed to form the GNU. This is prompting speculation on whether a minority government could be in the offing in the event that the GNU fails to materialize. The delay in forming the government has been attributed to disagreements between parties. Impeached judge and newly sworn-in MK Party parliamentary leader John Hlophe says his impeachment was political and the parliamentary impeachment process was premature. Hlophe and 57 other members of the Umkhonto weSizwe party have been sworn in as members of the National Assembly. Hlophe clarified that he is a leader of the party in parliament, but former President Jacob Zuma remains the president of the party. The Border Management Authority says it has put measures in place at all ports of entry to combat the spread of Mpox. The Department of Health has announced that 3 more positive cases have been confirmed and 1 death. This brings the total number of cases to 16 since the outbreak last month. 8 cases are in KwaZulu-Natal, 7 in Gauteng, and 1 in the Western Cape. The BMA is now implementing screening processes for travellers at all ports of entry. Kenya's President William Ruto has issued a stern warning to protesters who've set part of the Parliament complex ablaze. Protests escalated into violence yesterday when police opened fire on demonstrators trying to storm Kenya's Parliament, with at least 5 protesters killed and dozens wounded. Demonstrators broke through police cordons and entered Parliament, setting part of the complex alight. Fire also broke out in Nairobi City Hall. Ruto has described the violence as an unprecedented attack on the country's democracy.